girl, if you're here looking for some motivation for a power hour clean with me, then you come to the right place. It's time to set our 1 hour timers and see how much we can get accomplished today in our homes. I'm Courtney Lynn, and I'm glad you took time to stop by today. Let's get started right after this intro. All right, let's let the power hour begin now. The first place I'm starting off for my hour is here in my bedroom. I gotta tidy this place up. As soon as I tidy it up, I turn around and it's completely messy again. Probably because there's not a ton of space in this room and I share it with my sister. So my side of the room always seems like a disaster and I am not good at putting my stuff away right away. I kind of let it accumulate and pile up, and then I put it away when it starts to get out of hand, but I'm not good at doing it immediately. Just wanted to say hi real quick to all of you watching. Welcome back to those of you who are subscribed and who've been here before. You guys are all friends and family to me, but I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you who are brand new. I'm Courtney Lynn. I'm a California girl, 20 years old, still live at home with my family, and I just love to make videos about homemaking and organization and home decor and cleaning and everything in between. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel today. I'm a pretty new YouTuber. I've been doing this for less than a year and I'm having a lot of fun making videos. But if you like my content and you want to stick around for all the exciting things to come, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. It is completely free. There is no payment at all. It's always free to subscribe to my channel and to watch along and to just be friends here on the YouTube community. Well, we've had an exciting 2 weeks here in our home. My boyfriend who lives in Virginia, him and his family came. I talked about this in the last video. But his family went home last week, and so he's been here with us still this week. And whenever he is in town, I am not very productive. I mean, normally on a normal week when he's not here, I'm very productive. You know, to-do lists, gotta get things done, stay on top of it. But when he's here, I'm just trying to soak up like every second with him. So I didn't hardly get anything done this week. I was very unproductive, but I did enjoy spending a lot of time with him. But as you can see, even by like this bathroom, yeah, things were getting a little bit out of hand, so it was perfect time for a power hour, and I was loving this power hour. I was knocking things out of the park, getting it done so quickly, and it was so nice to just get a lot done in just a little bit of time. I still had some toiletries left in my toiletry bag that I needed to put away. So I'm taking all of those out and putting those in the right spots before I move on to the next room. Alrighty, moving on to this room. This is our dining room, of course, obviously. I'm wiping down the table today, and I had already taken out one of the leaves from this table. We had 2 leaves in, so I took one out and I went to check my camera, and my camera wasn't videoing, so I'm having all the camera luck these days. Okay guys, let's talk about our Musu cordless vacuum. So this canister is completely empty. I made sure that the entire thing was empty, and I'm gonna vacuum this dining room only. I'm gonna vacuum the entire carpet rug that we have in here, and then the hardwood edges. And then I'm gonna show you guys what was in the canister when I was finished from this room only. And I think you're gonna be surprised when you see it. So if you're wondering why we have a Musu cordless vacuum and what happened to our Dyson cordless vacuum, well, we loved our Dyson. No bad things about Dyson, except our Dyson cordless vacuum kind of like bit the dust all of a sudden. Just kind of out of the blue, it just stopped working. And so we really wanted a brand new one, but we did not want to spend hundreds of dollars on a brand new Dyson cordless. So we started doing some research and we found a YouTuber who suggested this cordless vacuum, and it was extremely cheap. I mean, very, very affordable. So we thought, hey, we might as well just try it out. And we have really liked it so far. And of course, you know, it's not a Dyson, so it's not completely Dyson level, but it does a great job. So check out the canister after I vacuumed this one room. If you can see that, it's got a big old clump of dirt in there. And I'm not sure if our dining room was just really dirty or the vacuum did a great job. I'll let you guys decide on that. This little dog you see right here, this is our doggie named Bella. She's a sweet dog. She doesn't get to come inside the house very often, but it was really hot out today, so we kind of let her come in and cool off for a bit. Moving on to the next room, now I'm here in our kitchen and I'm just tidying up a little bit. My sister has just gotten into the hobby of making and decorating sugar cookies, and she does a really good job at it, but she was using the other side of the kitchen, so I'm not going to that side today. I'm just going to clean up this one side, wipe down the countertops, and then also wash some dishes and throw some in the dishwasher. I thought I would tell you guys about my shirt that I'm wearing today. This is a shirt from Amazon and it's $19.99. It's really affordable and it's one of my favorite shirts because it's super cute, of course, but it's also very comfortable. It's a very soft material and it's also very breathable for summertime, which I thought was perfect. So if you go to the link in my description box below and shop it there from my Amazon, you can purchase it as well, and they have all different colors you can choose from. So now I've got my rubber gloves on and I'm throwing some dishes in the dishwasher, and then I've got to wash some dishes by hand. And the two pitchers on the side of the right side of the sink, those needed to be washed as well. We've had tea and punch in them this week, and so they needed to be scrubbed before we refill them again. We also got to go this week to a Giants baseball game up in San Francisco, and that was so much fun. The Giants won, so that was like an extra bonus. You know, I just go to have fun, eat the food, and make memories, but they won, so that was an extra bonus for me. We had a blast being there, and I shared some pictures of it over on my Instagram. So if you want to go and follow me over there, my username is Courtney's_Lens. I will put a link in the description box as well for that if you want to follow me there. That's where I share a little bit more of my day-to-day life, so go find me there on Instagram. Well, friends, it's been so much fun hanging out with you today, and I'm fixing to wrap up this power hour. When I finished these dishes, I only had like less than 20 seconds left, so it was perfect timing. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for hanging out with me today, for spending some time together, and if you're brand new, thank you for finding me, however YouTube sent you my way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found lots of motivation and inspiration and encouragement, whatever you were looking for today. So be sure to stick around by subscribing, hit that like button, comment down below if you'd like to. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.